Hello, this is Miss Jones with Legacy's Little Luxuries and Dollar Tree Craft and Ideas. Find me on Facebook. I admit on Dollar Tree Crafts and Ideas, and I own Legacy's Little Luxuries. Legacy requested a peacock wreath. She has been watching me make them as I go along, and you can refer to the videos that I have already uploaded to YouTube. And I did find some pink feathered fans on eBay, and that's what I used, was 3 pink feathered fans and Dollar Tree doilies. Check it out. It is windy out here today on March 26, 2018, but I had to bring it outside to show you just how beautiful this wreath turned out. And of course there's pink feathers, so she's going to love this. And there are real feathers. Now the wind's picking up. It looks beautiful. Anyhow, subscribe to our humble channel. Like, share, message me on Facebook if you want to learn or want me to go live and teach you a class on this wreath. This is my own wreath. I have copied no one. It's my ideas, and I use fans. Check out the Mother's Day wreath that I made using Dollar Tree fans and Dollar Tree doilies. Same concept, except for this is with peacock feathers. Legacy's starting to love that bird. I wonder why. Bless.